What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. Twink is going to walk around and give you an overview on all of our bikes, that like our current projects and future projects, right? Yep. Mm-hmm. And then after that, I think we're going to do a little Q&A. I went through the list and I pulled some of the comments out that are just asked over and over again. So we're hoping by doing this, it'll answer a lot of your questions that you have. And
that's pretty much it. So we're going to go ahead and go through all the stages of where everything's at right now, because that's another common question is like, what's going on with this, what's going on with that. So we'll go ahead and just give you an overview of everything we have right now. And we got one we're about to post for sale too. So we'll go ahead and tell you all about it now and let you know it's for sale before we actually get done with the bike. So this is our 2004 Electric Glide we just got in here. It's already got a 21-inch chrome wheel on it, matching rotors, LED light bar, and I took the fairing off. The fairing's fine. I just took it off so that it actually fit through the door. It's also got some 18-inch apes, and it's all black and stuff. Really, the only damage with this thing is the floorboard and shifter's broken on it right there. This is a salvage title bike. It runs and drives fine, no problems. I think it's got like 50,000 miles on it. We're gonna post this one for sale for like $5,900, and it has a big stereo on it too, the aftermarket amp. Kicker speakers, Rockford speakers in the bags, and Sony head unit. So I mean, you could put like stretch bags and stretch fender on it. Have a pretty cool bike for under $7,500. Moving on. So this is one of our police bikes we had. This is the 09 Road King. It's actually sold. I'm just waiting on the title so the customer can come pick it up. I think he sold for like $7,500. And this is our big wheel bike project we're doing. It's actually going to be an 04 Electric Glide is what it is. But we got the wheel and tire in and mounted and everything. I'm about to take it to paint. I just want to mock up the front end and make sure that the wheel and tires, all the rake is right. Yeah, so we're going with white on this one. I already have the bags already done, but the whole bike's going to be white. The inner fairing, outer fairing, everything's going to be white. But yeah, this is kind of going to be a pretty big project because I still have to figure out the harness and everything else, because it does have a drop seat frame that might be a pain in the butt. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. This is our 2004 Road Glide. It has a 95-inch motor with Screaming Eagle heads. It's only got 29,000 miles on the bike. Before it went to auction, I'm guessing the old owner stole the throttle body off of it, and also the bars with the switches. So I haven't heard it run yet. I bought a parts bike to fix this one because, number one, it needed the throttle body. It needed the fork tube. It was hitting the front, and the fork tubes are bent a little bit. So to me, it was cheaper just to go ahead and buy a parts bike and use what I needed off of it, and then I'll part out the rest of that parts bike. But we will be fixing this one, and I'm going to go black with this. So all the bags, fender, tour pack, tank, everything will be for sale on it too.
Okay, so like I said before, I just went through and I know from seeing you guys' comments what your most asked questions are. So I just went through, put them in here. We're going to take turns pulling them out. We're going to answer some questions for you guys. All right, so you want to go first?
Sure.
Is it a good one?
Do you have to rake a 23? No. If you do not rake it though, and you still keep your crash bar, the fender's going to come up and hit the crash bar and put a dent in it. You can either lose the crash bar or you can buy rake trees to fix that. But no, you don't have to. You don't absolutely have to do it.
I would say that might be the number one most asked question. Mm-hmm. Okay, next question. Where are we located? So we're in Georgia. We're in, what would you say, Northwest? Like Northwest Georgia.
Metro Atlanta.
Metro.
Yeah.
About 25 minutes outside of Atlanta.
Mm-hmm.
You agree with that?
Yeah. Where do you get your bikes from? We buy them from insurance auctions most of the time. I'll buy them from wherever, but most of the bikes come from insurance auctions. Insurance Auto Auctions is the name of the company, and then Copart is the other one. I buy from both of them.
And then every once in a while you might get one off the street if you're lucky, but most of the time, get them at the auction.
The police bikes came from a regular auction, but yeah, most of the time it's insurance.
Okay, my turn?
Yep.
All right. Do you only work on Harleys?
Yes. I've done other bikes in the past and stuff like that, but Harleys is what I know. And not Sportsters. I hate working on Sportsters. I've worked on a couple in the past, and it didn't work out good. So yes, most.
Is it my turn again already?
Your turn.
All right. Oh, this is my favorite question. Are y'all married?
We are both
Yes.
married. Not to each other.
No.
Not at all.
No. We've known each other for how long?
At least 25 years.
Yes, a very long time. No, we're not married to each other. We are both married, though.
All right, I'll do one here. I already did that one.
Oh, did you put it back in?
I guess I did. Do you have a website for bikes for sale? Currently, our website's down for that part, so no.
We're working on getting it fixed. If we can get it back up and running, we try to post our bikes that we do have for sale on there. The only problem is just to be completely honest, usually before we can even get them on the website, they're already sold.
They sell in like 48 hours.
So we're never going to have, 5-10 different bikes on there. We just try to keep up with the current, but right now the site's down, so we can't really do anything, but we are working on that.
You do another one?
Sure.
Do you work on bikes for the public? No, I don't. I've tried to do that in the past too. I'm not good at pricing the stuff. I don't know how to do it. I like to buy them, do my thing to them, and just sell them as they are.
So that does lead me to another question. A lot of you guys comment on there, and you can't figure out why he's wearing the gloves while he's working on the bikes. So we kind of do this behind the scenes. It's kind of like a side thing. So he has to, if we have a customer walk in or anything, he's got to be able to just pull the gloves off. He doesn't have time to wash his hands, get dirty, do all that stuff. So it's kind of multitasking. But that's why we just do our own stuff to the side.
Exactly.
All right. What is your favorite build ever?
I think my favorite one was we did that first real burnt bike. Not the first one, but the that blue and white
crispy critter.
Yes, that thing was
Yes.
the one that was basically just burnt to a crisp, and it turned out amazing.
It was amazing. I mean, it was just, if you guys haven't seen it, go back and look at it. It was just literally just a pile of burnt metal. Mm-hmm. It was just nothing. That one, and I would say Josh's.
Yeah.
The big wheel.
The big wheel, yeah.
The
we
big
didn't do
wheel
it
bagger.
on YouTube.
But we didn't do it. I'll see if I can put a picture in here for you guys. We didn't do that one on the channel. Last question. Go for it.
Are we a motorcycle shop? No. We run a buy here, pay here car lot. And the motorcycle stuff's just kind of a hobby to the side whenever we have free time. That's pretty much it, which we don't hardly have any free time. But
that's why we're not getting our videos out as fast as we would like for you guys.
Yeah, we got our hands full all the time. All the time.
But if you guys like this type of thing and you want us to do more Q&As, let us know and shoot us some questions and we'll do it again. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Tell all of your friends. And we are coming up close to, like I said before in the last video, I don't know if we're going to do some sort of giveaway for 20,000 subscribers or if we'll wait and do 25,000. But, keep sending in your stuff or your ideas because we're still trying to figure out what to give away. So, all right, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Thank you.
Put them in here. We're going to take turns pulling them out. We're going to answer some questions for you guys. Hopefully, I don't know what I'm going to say. Dude, that was on a roll.
You're doing good.
Scratch that. All right, next question. Where are we located? We're in Georgia. Northwest Georgia.
I just laughed. God bless it. I didn't know what you're doing.
Do you think that for the thumbnail? And I'll just screenshot it. Should we do something? What do we do?